Fresh in the morning, Ras Ali grows. Fresh in the morning. You know, man. Wagwan people, blessings, greetings. Ras Ali grows. Early in the morning, Ras Ali grows. Early in the morning, Ras Ali grows. Fresh in the morning, when Ras Ali grows. Oh Lord, in the morning, when Ras Ali grows. Early in the morning is when Ras Ali grows. Finger grip my machete and my foot go in my shoes. Pick up the two bucket, them with dip and them with dip. Meditation positive, so there's no cons, just the pros, yeah. Water cucumber, pull the weed them from the bed. And prune the leaves that have the spider mite, them with dead. Sun fly up on my skin and mosquito, in my ears and ningy ningy. On the ground, I make them fed in the morning. When Ras Ali grows, early in the morning. When Ras Ali grows, yeah, fresh in the morning. When Ras Ali grows. Yes, I. So, I clean up with the pan. And while we are doing the clean up section now, you are going to people, watch the expansion, you see it? Yeah, man. This was where we stopped. This was where we stopped with the planting. So right now, I'm going all the way in there, as I said earlier, right in there. So, seeing, want to get to that platform, I want to finish that. But while we are doing that, as I said, I want to put some okra up on the side here. Nice piece of okra. And some lettuce. Seeing, right there so. And you don't know already, you know. Everywhere we go, we're going to plant, we're going to plant banana. I try to get some, I try to get 2 root of grossy Michel. You don't know. So, yeah, I hate this. Seeing so this is just a section, we're going all the way back over to where the East Indian mango tree is. Yeah man, Ras Ali, I go to it, you know man, we have pepper it, you think we play? Yeah man. Anytime we find the time, we put the time to good use, you know? Yeah man, so that's the first East Indian mango tree from this side. See? Only for spring in a take place so. So we are gonna go all the way beyond that. Either right just a little bit beyond it. Because on the perimeter of this area we have some local pestilence that we don't want to disturb, you know? So we just go right beyond that there and a little bit over, maybe about 10 feet over there, right? And then we'll come in right alongside here, and we're gonna come basically all the way back to meet up with that section out there. See? And then eventually I'm going to go further out, maybe about another 30 feet to where the boundary of my brethren, my far brethren, the land film property end. So we go all the way out there. So. You see me? I'm going to put in some sweet potato and thing. And you don't know already. Anyway, we find space, we put where we put. We want to spread the sweet potato all the way down as well. So anywhere I can find it, I'm definitely going to be, you know, as I said, the land over here, the soil is not the best, and we basically have like a flat bedrock on the most of this area over here. So, but we're gonna use what we can. You see me? That's the platform there. You know, see it. We'll look at that a little bit further in the future. You know, nothing wrong with sharing. You know, there's no harm in it. Somebody might get an idea. We definitely have to do some more work on it though, because we pull off the whole of the deck section. The wood there definitely supposed to soft out from what I felt. Yeah man. rotting out and stuff with the water and the leaves falling off. 'Cause you know this went through about 2 years. So yeah, man. So I weigh this, you know. This is iron. See it. Not easy going through them thick grass here, but we have use for it. Dry time, dry land, drought period, you don't know. We have use for this. Whole heap of use. Yeah, man. Call me mulch. Yeah, you know. So Ross Ali, just I give you an update. I know that I haven't been putting out a lot of videos, but yo, me's a realistic fella. So we give you where there is something to give. Yeah, man. So while I'm out, go and take in back the videos that pass. Those who have not yet taken in all of them, go take them in. Like what you like, comment where you comment, share what you want to share, you don't know. And would I really appreciate if you subscribe and make the channel grow. See? We not body up, but if you don't want to subscribe and you don't like it, you can move on to the next bumbuckler same way, because I mean that. See? And we know yet to know we love same way. Blessings. See? Ras Ali grows. Well,